Went from 590 to 720 with Capital One Platinum, bro. Thoughts on my next move? 590 to with one account. What score are you looking at? That's good though. That's good. But a 130-point increase from just one card that's a lot. But yeah, you're probably looking at your Credit Karma scores, which are Vantage scores. Nothing wrong with them. They're just not FICO scores, aka they're not scores that lenders are looking at. So that's good though. That's good though. Your next move would be getting a credit limit increase on your Capital One Platinum, and then upgrading the Platinum to the Quicksilver. All right, that's your next step. So have credit limit increase, then upgrading the Platinum to the Quicksilver. Okay, and then after that, we can do some more stuff after that. I need some advice. I got 12 credit card debt. I mean, you said credit card debt. I mean, there's only a couple options, bro. Like, are these cards active and good standing? Are they closed? Are they charged off? Like, what's going on? I need more information now. You just said credit card debt. So what's going on with the cards, bro? I'm having a hard time removing an inquiry off Equifax. Any suggestions? Yeah, you need to call to get that stuff off. And we're only disputing inquiries, not attached to open account. So if you applied for it and you didn't get it, that inquiry is fair game. If you applied for it and you got the account, leave that inquiry alone. Okay.